Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to start learning about object-oriented programming. To do that, we first need to understand how to create blueprint for making objects. So let's get started. First of all, have we ever used an object? The answer is yes. Let's take a look. Values equal list, parentheses. Values is an object, just like almost everything else in Python. Now let's use some method of this object. New line. Values dot append parentheses 10. New line. Values dot remove parentheses 10. New line. Print parentheses values. New line. Print parentheses type parentheses values. Now we want to create something that can be used like values. To do that, we need to use the class keyword. Class calculator. Calculator is going to be our blueprint. Now let's give it at least one attribute. Column, new line, def, double underscore, init, double underscore, parentheses, self, comma, result, equal 0. Column, new line, self, dot, result, equal result. The init method is called every time we create an object. This is called instantiating or creating an instance of the calculator blueprint. The self parameter is a convention we use in all the methods inside a class. It allows each method to refer to the object itself. Now let's create some methods. Def add parentheses self comma value column new line self dot result plus equal value new line def subtract parentheses self comma value column new line self dot result minus equal value new line def get underscore result parentheses self column new line return self dot result. This class allows us to use it in the same way we did with the list class up here. So let's do it again. Calc equal calculator parentheses new line. We don't need to pass any parameter because we already set the result to 0 by default. Because remember, every time we instantiate an object, the double underscore init method is called. Calc dot add parentheses 10 new line calc dot subtract parentheses 4 new line print parentheses calc dot get underscore result parentheses new line print parentheses type parentheses calc. As you can see, we created a blueprint to instantiate objects that behave like a simple calculator of type calculator. Now let's recap. So in this lesson we learned how to use classes to create objects with attributes and methods. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.